Okay, so hello guys, my name is Vinay and today I am going to show you that how to download Adobe Photoshop Express on your PC. But one note that this video is only for people who have Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed on their PC. And this software is totally free, legal and not pirated, fully safe and secure. So without any further delay, let's start. Okay guys, so the first step is to simply open Microsoft Store on your PC. After opening Microsoft Store, on the search bar, type Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, Adobe Photoshop Express here comes in the first, so just click it. And as you can see here, this is the genuine software of Adobe Photoshop, from the official Microsoft Store. So just install it, click on the install button and it will install. As you can see, one guy commented that this is the best free photo editing software application available on the Windows PC. So after downloading, just open it. And as you can see, this is the genuine software, no pirated version. This is truly legal and free. Just click next, and it's really a OP software. Just take any of the pictures from here, and as you can see here, OP. It's really very good. I just love this software. Okay guys, so this much only for today. I hope that you all like this video. If this video helped you at least 0.1%, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to ask questions or any doubts on the comment section. I'm always there to help you or to answer your question. So bye bye guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, good night, good afternoon, good morning, according to your region, according to your timing. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. Bye bye.